Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Bluetooth speakers to Amazon Fire TV. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your Bluetooth speaker is turned on and in pairing mode. For example, on the speaker, press the Bluetooth button until it blinks. Other speakers may have different pairing methods, so check your device instructions. Next, on your Amazon Fire TV, go to Settings, Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, Other Bluetooth Devices, Add Bluetooth Devices. The Fire TV will start searching for available devices. When your speaker appears on the list, click on it to connect. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. Now, any audio from your Fire TV, including movies, music, and apps, will play through the Bluetooth speaker. So that's basically how you can connect Bluetooth speakers to Amazon Fire TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.